Hey friends, if you wish to turn on random hardware addresses in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Wi-Fi. You'll find manage known networks and click on it. So there are a few networks here. The point is that to manage a certain network, you need to be connected to it. Not just that you were logged into it earlier, you need to be connected to it. So if there is any doubt, just go to the Wi-Fi panel and then you can select that network and click to connect to it. For example, let's say this one. It is present. I was logged into it earlier. It is mentioned here, but right now I'm not connected. So I will connect to it first and then it will be added in the known networks list. Now, to change the Wi-Fi, to change the random addresses, the system addresses, click on this option and scroll down, and there is something called as random hardware address. Hardware address is the MAC address of the computer. This is bound to the IP address of your system, which may be masked through a VPN connection, but the MAC address cannot. So in this case, it is off by default, but if you turn it on, then the hardware addresses will be random and it will be almost impossible to detect it if the IP address is also masked. And if you want to change it daily, you can select this option. I would prefer to keep it on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.